Hey, what is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another video on the My Stock Journey channel. So today I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on what all I'm doing. A few of you did tell me that you wanted to see more of the trade options that I do. I don't do anything big, you know, some of those guys out here trading hundreds, thousands of dollars. Man, I just do small pieces here and there to slowly add on to my portfolio. When the day comes that I feel I'm comfortable enough to do some of these options and, you know, make these bets in a way, with more money, I will definitely do that. But as of now, I'm kind of just enjoying putting small dollars in, not really risking too much, taking these little wins here and there, and, you know, honestly, just being okay with the smaller ones, right? So we'll get straight into it. So this will be the very first one that I did. This was actually last week. So I did a Bank of America $23 call for May 8th. And on May 7th, it actually did go up to $23, and I don't remember exactly how much, but whenever it did hit that, I sold the contract for $22. I bought it at $17, so I take a little $5 profit here, and, you know, just go ahead and take that. I mean, I have no issue like making an extra $5 a day doing that, because in my head, if I can make an extra $10 a week, well, hey, who doesn't want an extra, you know, $520 a year, you know, like, it's awesome. That's about what my dividends are paying me right now anyway, so why not try to double up on that? And of course, I'm gonna have bad weeks. I'll have negative weeks. I have before. But with that being said, like, it's smaller amounts of money, like $17, $22. So the most I can lose is a limited amount. You know, it's not a huge, big deal. And yeah, and now I've gotten to the point that I've made some profit. I've made like $80 in profit from trading. And I only trade with my profit, if that makes sense. So I have $80. That's the most I can do. So if I want to do it all on calls, I only have $80 to spend on calls. I don't go above that, just because now that I've built up that lump sum of money, I don't want to start going negative. Even if I lose all that, I'm still break even, right? So yeah, so I spent $17 on this call, waited a day, it went up to 22. I sold. The reason I did that is because good news was starting to come out about certain things, and I was like, well, it's probably a good time, so let's just go for it, you know? And yeah, so that was the first one I did. That was a $5 profit. So next up, we will go into Bank of America. If you guys did watch one of my recent videos, Bank of America was over $23.50 or something like that. And so I definitely didn't get the best deal at the time to do a covered call on it, since I put it at $23. But as you can see here, if I go to last price, oh, there we go. Bank of America is at $22.59, which I'm not complaining about at all, because even in our negative days, if you have a covered call, you're still winning, and that's what I love about them. So with that being said, here we go. The premium that I did receive for this covered call was $51. It was very tight. I did a very tight one, but I did this one on a day that bad news started to come out, and I was like, maybe it'll go down, maybe it won't reach it. Let's do it. If not, I take a little smaller profit, because I think, if I do recall somewhat decently, I spent $2,249, something roughly like that. And if it was to sell at 23, I would take an extra $51 of profit from buying at $22.49 and selling at 23. So I honestly couldn't complain. Like, if it hit 23, cool. I made an extra $102. If not, like we're seeing here, I'm taking an extra $51 in profit, and I can just do another covered call, no issue. Like, that's the thing I love about this, is that even when we have a red day, I'm not losing as much, right? Because I made $51 premium. And again, like I said, if it shoots up to 23, okay. Oh, I can't be all that mad. I made $102 or 103, whatever it is. And, you know, that's just extra money in my pocket. If I can make an extra $50, $100 a week from covered calls, awesome. So that's my covered call. I'm gonna try to do 1 or 2 covered calls a week. If you guys do want to see a lot of that, just let me know. I have no issue showing you guys. I want to be fully transparent, because you guys support me and on my journey. So with that being said, I want to definitely show you guys everything. And last but not least, I love doing these. I have a little bitty trade going on here with Bitcoin. So I did take notice that, ooh, that was a good spike. I did take notice that Bitcoin was kind of consolidating right here, and I also noticed that it was on a downtrend, right? So if we look right here, it was setting lower highs every time. So here's a high, this high's lower than that high, and this high's lower than that high. The next thing you know, it sets a higher high, which typically means we're going up a little bit, at least a little, right? So if you can see right about my average cost was 85.21. If you do look right around here somewhere, yeah, right around there is when I bought in. Beautiful timing. I wouldn't say it was perfect. Like, I didn't necessarily know it was gonna be perfect timing, but it just turned out to be perfect timing. I definitely knew it was going up. I could just tell from the trends. I study Bitcoin a lot, and so I bought in, rode this up. I invested $25. I just, like I said, I like to keep it light, keep it small, put more money into covered calls, and do stuff, little mini swing trades with Bitcoin and stuff like that. And so with this, my $25 is generated somewhere around 30 cents. I do believe that we are going to retest that 87.50 sometime. Let's see, where was that 87.50 max at? Somewhere around here. Yeah, I do believe we're going to retest that. And whenever we do reach 87.50, I'm going to get out. It doesn't matter if it goes up to 9. I don't care, because the big picture is that I'm still in profit. I still made money. I don't like to think I could have had. I think I have, right? I don't want to think I could have had more money had I kept in, because just as easily as I could have had more money, I could have lost all that money, right? So if I get out with a profit, I'm always thinking, boom, I made profit, cool. So with that being said, my total for this week from my covered calls, if you do remember, I had my $5 from the call option that I did on Bank of America. I've made $51 from my covered call on Bank of America, and I'm about 30 cents or so with my little mini trade on Bitcoin. And that's my definite guaranteed profit. I don't believe Bitcoin's gonna go back down. I'm pretty sure it won't. Not for a long time, but I'm almost positive it's gonna hit 87.50 at some point. And if Bank of America hits $23, that'll put me at a profit of about $108 roughly for the week, and doing my trade options. And yeah, I will definitely update you guys the closer we get to that covered call getting either exercised or just going away, and let you guys know what the profit margins were looking like and everything like that. I hope you guys did enjoy this little update video. I did, you guys were telling me, hey, let's see a little bit more of your trade options and how you're doing, what kind of stuff you're doing day to day. And so yeah, I hope, like I said, I hope you guys did enjoy that. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.